Hi, so I'm Anicia and I'm a footwear product developer here at MIMCO. I work within the footwear team and we work on various developments and designs and so forth. So the Helix Heel came from an image which was part of our mood board. It was a DNA image. And also we were looking at a couple of architectural images as well. So we started to look at the sort of twisting and spiraling element of this, and we found it really fascinating. So we've done a couple of versions and just rough sketches around this spiral element. And we all decided that that's quite cool. Why don't we make actually a heel out of this? So I visited a local Melbourne-based 3D printing place, and I saw them amending my heel design on the screen, and it was actually really fascinating to see how they do all this bending and twisting, and with a couple of degrees what they can do. And first they printed out the image on a 1:1 scale, and then we looked at how it is proportional to the last. And then once we did the necessary tweaks, we actually printed out the heel itself, which was really great to see. It took a couple of hours though. 3D printing is not fast, but once we got the heel itself, then we sent it off to the factory to start making our prototype, and that was really fascinating. So we decided to do this in 2 heel heights as well, and a couple of styles that carry on this heel.